Hello and welcome everybody in today's video. In it, I'll be showing you how to connect your wallet to Uniswap and how to fix the errors that you might get along with it. But before that, I'd like to quickly mention our sponsor for today's video, ANY. Sorry for the tongue twister. ANY is a very easy and fast platform to use for online crypto trading. If you're into that, go check them out. Their link is in the description down below. Also, FTMO. If you want to trade with other people's money. If you want to keep up to 90% of the profits for yourself, FTMO is the place to go. But there's always a but when it's too good, right? You have to prove to them that you have the knowledge and skill of a professional trader to do that. Prove that to them and they will give you up to 200k to trade with. Okay, so Uniswap. This is their homepage. You just click the launch up button and you'll be connected to, not connected, but be redirected to their swapping app. So before you can swap anything, you must connect your wallet. Right now I'll be showing you how to do that with Metamask. So connect to Metamask and you might get the following: wrong network, please connect to a supported network in the drop down menu or in your wallet. How to do that? Click on Metamask and as you can see you have different networks here. Right now I'm on the Binance Smart Chain. What you have to do is click the Ethereum network, okay, some new stuff, and boom, you'll be signed in with the account that you have and you'll be on the correct network, and now you can freely use the Uniswap app. That's it. So I hope this helped you. Have a nice day, good luck, and see you next time.